Thanks so much, Yenny, Sandra, and trainers. We hope you all enjoyed spending your afternoon here at the podcast with your newfound friends, South American Zelans, Yenny, and Sandra. And we also hope that even under your leave, you will take this experience with you wherever you go. And remember that one for a time, greatly affects our friends in the sea. Sea lions, like any animals, cannot survive in a trash-filled environment. So let's keep our surroundings clean. Aside from pollution, there are many other threats to their survival all over the world, such as climate change and illegal hunting. You can learn more about this inside their ocean world. Always keep in mind that we are the steward of our planet, and thus, each one of us must do what we can to protect and conserve all the inhabitants of our Mother Earth, including ourselves. So on behalf of Yenny, Trainer Mark, Sandra, and Trainer Deli, and all of us here at Aquatica and Manila Ocean Park, we would like to thank everyone for experiencing today. We hope you all enjoy and visit us again soon. So take care and have a nice day. Say goodbye to our sunrise. Bye! By the way, guys, if you love to have more photos with your sea lions and birds, please approach our photographers over there at the exit area. Thank you. Turn off ears, give them a good sense of hearing, look up and be looking for surveys. Sea lions that can wear goggles can see with photobombing underwater. They have keen eyesight, but no color vision. In the wild, they inhabit water close to shores, love rocky cliffs with typhoons, and have a preference for rocky fishes. They have excellent climbing abilities, which can easily scale rocky cliffs and sound. Cheers from Seekers. Now, let's talk about your swimming abilities, and let's start with Yenny the smartest. Sea lions are generally cruise around 11 miles per hour, using the rowing movements of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudders for steering. And that is their normal swim. Nice and easy. Thanks so much, Yenny and Trainer Mark. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a burst up to Red Santa, 25 miles per hour. Wow, look at that. That's so fast. Come on, guys, another round of applause for Sandra, the sexy yes. Nice going, Sandra. And another one, she's asking for red. Now here's an interesting story about our sea lions. Did you know that the U.S. Navy has trained a few of them to take part in their special operations? Love, that's right. They're able to hold their breath for up to 20 minutes and again time 100 feet. Abilities that even the best Navy diver would be visible. And since they cannot be protected by clear on water, their active name is Homo conversis. These birds are found in Mongol, some are Liga Dragones, and possibly in Cebuana. Wow, look at that! And now let's all welcome our running guys, here comes Shadow! These birds are found in India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, along China, including wherein the Philippines. They are locally known as Lawi or Manok in Visayas region. And now let's all welcome our chickens! Wow, look at that! And as you can see, we have our homing pigeons. Homing pigeons has an innate homing ability, meaning they will generate return to its nest and mate. Our runabout for raptors, chickens, and our homing pigeons. Here at Manila Ocean Park, we believe that there is hope. We all not try to take care of our friends in the sea, but we're also who are in land and air as well. Now guys, who knows the 3 R's? It's resist, reuse, and recycle. Very good. So here's Ladies and gentlemen, we all hope you enjoy your show. Are the birds spectacular? Well, in their own way, no matter how small the efforts, let's take action on saving them from expectation or even extinction. Please let's all do our part in saving the world. Thus remember, this is the only home we've got. Now let me present to you the birds and the trainers who made this show possible. Trainer Mark with Rocky. Trainer April with Shadow. Trainer Rochelle with Hope. Trainer Jared with Buddy. And once again, I'm Trainer Mikey. Thank you and goodbye! By the way guys, please remain in your seat because we still have a single line show. And please do not cross the yellow line. Thank you! It's for Red Club. Just like Sassy, Greenwood Macaws from South America. They are known to be the gentle giants of the parrot family. It is because they are the second largest next to the hyacinth hawks. They can grow up to 92 centimeters in length and can live up to 8 years old. Scientific name is Arachnoptera. They usually feed on seeds, nuts, salts, and minerals